First, we read the question. Accounting for newly started association. Newly started association means there is no opening balance of the capital fund and other items. The information is given for the current year and also for the next year. Following is the receipt and payment account of Senior Pensioners Association newly started on 1st April 19. It means current year will be 1920. Now see, receipt sides. Subscription received 2019-20, it's mean current year, rupees 85,000. Current year subscription is an income. Subscription for 2021 is for next year, is an advance subscription, it goes to liabilities. Similarly, 21-22 is also for next year, is advance subscription, liabilities. Entrance fees is an incomes, I. Donations is also income, I. Now payment side. Rent is an expenses, E. Traveling expenses, also expenses, E. Expense of get together is also expenses, E. Charity is expenses. Salary is expenses. Now furniture. Furniture is an assets, A. Fixed deposit is also assets, A. Balance carried down is a closing balance, cash in hand is assets, A. Now adjustments. Outstanding subscription for current year, rupees 10,000. Current year subscription is to be added in subscriptions. Added in subscription and second year effect on asset sides. We have to take out the current year subscription, rupees 85,000. Now, second adjustment. Entrance fees are to be capitalized. It is to be deducted from entrance fees and added in capital, or alternately, it may be directly appear on liability sides. Capital fund will be added. Now next, third adjustments. Capital fund should be created out of entrance fees and surplus of the current year. There is no opening balance of the capital fund. Entrance fees and surplus is treated as capital fund. Okay, it is an informative. Fourth adjustment. Depreciate furniture by rupees 2,500. It is to be deducted from furniture account and second effect will affected on expenses. You are required to prepare income and expense account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. Now we go to answer sheet. Answer sheet is like this one. Senior Pensioner Association income and expense account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Expenditure rupees, income rupees. Second statement, balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. First we try to complete the income and expenditure account. First we have to find out the incomes. Just I find out subscription for the current year is the income. We write income sides by subscription. Rupees 85,000. Tick is there. We find out the adjustment outstanding subscription for the current year. It should be added in such a rupees 10,000. Add outstanding rupees 10,000. Total 95,000. Next is a donation. Rupees 25,000. Now see, incomes, nothing is. We go to expenditure sides. Now, first is a rent. We write here it is to rent. Rupees 6,000. Next is a traveling expenses. Rupees 2,800. Next is get together expenses or expenses of a get together. Rupees 3,300. Next is charity expenses. Rupees 1,000. Next is salaries. Rupees 4,500. These are the expenses. Now see in adjustments. Now here it is depreciation. Right here it is to depreciation on a furniture. Rupees 2500. Okay, we go to close the income and expense account. Total of credit sides rupees 1,20,000. Right on debit side also. Total 1,20,000. From this one total, we have to subtract all of these items and answers comes rupees 99,900. It's a surplus. Okay, surplus is added in a capital fund or disclosed on the liability side. First, we try to asset sides. First, we find out the assets A, furniture. Right here it is furniture. Rupees 3,500 in our column. We have to depreciate rupees 2,500. Deduction comes rupees 28,000. Next is fixed deposit. Rupees 50,000. Next is cash in hand. Cash in a hand rupees 31,800. Now see next item, outstanding subscription on asset sides. Rupees 10,000. Okay, nothing is. Now we go to on live sides. Here it is capita fund. Opening balance is not given. Just we have to add surplus. Surplus will be 99,900. Again we have to add entrance fees. Entrance fees rupees 11,000 and total 1,10,900. Now see liabilities advance subscription. Here it is. Advance subscription for 2 years advance for a 2020-21 and for a 2021-22 6,900 and 2,000. Again we have to find out the liabilities. Okay, nothing else. Now we go to close the balance sheet. Total of liability sides is equal to total of asset sides, and total comes 1,19,800. Here also write 1,19,800. Right here is total words. Total. This is the complete answers. Okay, now we go to close the answer sheet. Okay, thank you.